Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hometainment. Our today's recipe is crispy cheese balls. Ingredients are given in the description box. First of all, we will take a blender and add our chicken cubes. Then we will add salt, about half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, chili flakes half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, white pepper powder quarter teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder quarter teaspoon, cornflour 1 tablespoon, fresh coriander 1 tablespoon, and 1 to 2 green chilies fresh, 1 medium sized egg, and grind it. We will add 1 onion so it won't lose its moisture. Now the grinding is completed. Look, the mixture is thick enough. If not, you can add 1 bread slice. Remove this mixture from the blender in a plate. Now make balls. Use oil to moist your skin of hand. Now make medium sized balls. Then flatten it and make a groove in the middle to place our cheese slice or shredded cheese. I am using mozzarella cheese. You can use cheddar cheese or any cheese you like. Now close this groove and make a ball again. Now I am covering these balls with breadcrumbs or kurkury crumbs to make the surface of these balls super crisp. Do the same with rest of the balls. You can make all the balls and then coat them with the crumbs. Now all balls are ready to fry. Take oil in a pan or wok and let it heat. Now when it's heated, add all the cheese balls in the wok to cook. This will take 15 to 20 minutes to completely cook all the balls from both sides. Do not touch the balls in the first 5 minutes, otherwise all the coating of the balls will be removed from them. After 7 to 10 minutes, change the sides of the balls. It has cooked from one side. Now it's time to cook from the other side. After 20 minutes, remove these super crispy cheese balls from the oil into the plate over the absorbent tissue. Hot and crispy cheese balls are ready to serve.